Yo.
What are you doing in my house?
What's up guys, 𝐏𝐫𝐸 here from 𝐏𝐫𝐸𝐸. So in today's video, we're actually going to be talking about why eBay pretty much deprecated the find contact information feature. Well, that feature pretty much got deprecated because of privacy concerns. In the past, eBay members were actually able to go to the right of the search bar and click that advanced section and then request the contact information of somebody they're doing transactions with. Anyways, eBay pretty much deprecated it completely. There's going to be a new system that comes out. What I believe is going to happen is you could request for the member's information and they have to opt in or agree to share that information with you. Either the seller has to agree or the buyer. It's one of them. Anyways, let's get to the buyers and sellers questions revolving around this issue. Why did you remove the find contact information feature? eBay pretty much removed the find contact information feature to protect the privacy of eBay members. I already stated that. Next question, please. How can I contact a seller now that I'm not able to request their contact information through eBay? Well, to tell you the truth, you could actually do that, and you could always do that through the member-to-member messages. That's not an alternative route. Instead, that should be the first route you go to anyways to resolve any type of issues. The seller isn't responding to the messages I've sent them. Well, sometimes sellers aren't able to respond in a timely manner due to personal issues. Maybe they're with family, maybe they're on vacation, whatever the occasion may be, they're not able to respond right away. So the seller continues to be unresponsive even after reaching out to them a second time. You may want to purchase the item from a different seller. If you've already made a transaction with them, then what we recommend you do is go ahead and open up a case. Defective item, item not received. Whatever case that you need to open up, you could do that if the seller is non-responsive. And what that does is it triggers eBay to be able to step in when the issue can't be resolved. If you want to open up a case, what you want to do is click the My eBay tab in the top right and then click Purchase History. From the Purchase History section, locate the item that you purchased. And on the right side of it should say something about more actions, if not more actions. It's something along those lines on the right side of the item. You click on it and then you have the options of opening a case. I did not receive my item. Item was defective. Now let's get to questions from the sellers. How can I contact the buyer now that I'm no longer able to request their contact information through eBay? Same scenario. Member-to-member messages. You simply go into the Sold tab, the Sold section of your eBay account, and then you'll be able to find that transaction, click More Actions, and then click on Contact Buyer. That simple. The buyer's not responding to the messages I've sent them. Then what eBay recommends you do is go ahead and open up an unpaid item case. If the buyer's not responding to your messages in terms of payment. I'm a seller and I want the buyer to be able to call me. Starting in August, you'll be able to opt into sharing your phone number with buyers. You'll also be able to specify whether you want to share your phone number with any potential buyers or only with buyers who've recently purchased an item from you. If you want to share your phone number with buyers, you'll be able to opt in. We'll be sharing more details on this feature pretty soon. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. If you want to see any more videos like this in the future, let me know down below. Anyways, guys, 𝐏𝐫𝐸𝐸 here from 𝐏𝐵𝐸𝐸. I'm out. Peace.